1 to 20 or 1 to 30 if you are remembering the table, then any table, if it is given for even number, then always it will be even, but if it is odd number, then alternate odd and even. Just to keep in mind, this pattern is very much useful to for application point of view. It is very fundamental but very much helpful. Now we'll come to the second point, that is fundamental theorem of counting or fundamental principle of counting. Anything you can say, fundamental principle of counting, FPC. This fundamental principle of counting says how we can able to use addition and multiplication for different type of situation and different type of conditions. Both things you try to keep in mind, different type of situation and different type of conditions. Based on that, you can just divide counting in three major categories. One is continuous counting, what we are habituated to count, like 1 2 3 4, like just continue. We can do it, is generally we will do it is manually, but it will be suitable only for small numbers or figures. But if large numbers are there with certain conditions are there, then continuous counting or manual counting, it will not suitable. Then where we'll go? Second will go, that is addition law. If just suppose condition is given A or B, means either A or B, means at a time if you are selecting, then either you can select A or you can select B. Again, in A or B, maybe number will be different. Maybe 4 apples, 5 orange. 4 apples and 5 orange. You have to select 2 apples or 2 orange, or maybe 1 apple, 2 orange, or maybe 1 apple or 1 orange. Different type of condition, different type of number will be there. But always, if it is given A or B, apple or orange, then always you have to use this one. In how many ways you can select apples? Just you add how many ways you can select the orange, if it is given apple or orange. Now here, the same thing A or B, we can represent in terms of set theory. It is A union B. A union B means anywhere if you will go to the area where A union B is there, either A or B will be present. Then this will solve based on the plus, due to it is called addition law. Like just suppose a king or queen, like king will be 4 number and queen will be also 4 number. Where? In card. Whatever card we are playing, 4 number of king will be there, 4 number of queen will be there. Then if you want to select 1 king or 1 queen, then how many methods will be there? Out of 4 king, if you want to select any king, then 4 method will be there. Either this one, this one, this one, or this one. Either heart or maybe bricks, or maybe like any of the four figure. We have to select any one, then 4 method will be there. Similarly, out of 4 queen, we have to select any one queen. Then how many method will be there? 4 method. Then 4 plus 4, it will be total 8 method to select A or B, or we can say a king or queen. Now next is multiplication, A and B. A and B means we can say it is an intersection, and always we will use multiplication. Like we can say a king and queen, means 4 into 4, it will be 16. Means anywhere if you are selecting both at a time together, then multiply it. If we are selecting any one at a time, add it. Simple thing. Now just we'll take few learning based on LTI. This is your fundamental principle of counting. Like a student is to roll a die and flip a coin, how many possible outcome will be there? Like head, tail, head, tail, head, tail. Total will be how many? 6 times if they are doing, then every time either they will get 2 options. This student will get 2 options, either head or tail. Means 6 into 2, it will be total 12 outcome. Why we are multiplying? Why we are multiplying here 6 into 2? Because all together, all outcome we are seeing together, due to it is multiplication. Similarly here, we can say it is any one particular category. It is given chicken salad. It is further divided in 3 category, and further it is divided in another category. Total, if you will see, this total 18 option will be there. Similarly, you can see here, it is based on that all activity whatever we are doing in academic purpose, everywhere what we are doing. First we will make the big group. Big group will be divided in a small group will be divided in a small things. Means whatever division we are doing, means either we are going from set to subset or subset to set. Any of the times we have to use this fundamental principle of counting. Either you can say additive or maybe multiplicative. Now this is your very ideal example. Like this 2 pants are there, pant 1 and pant 2, shirt 1, shirt 2, shirt 3. Like just suppose if you want to take one pant and one shirt, one pant and one shirt, then how many options will be there, or how many ways you can select? One pant out of two pant, total number of way it will become 2, and is there means multiplication. One